This kind of insect, similar to locust, they are more on consuming leaves, just like this binunga leaves and other similar relative familial species that grows on bushes. This type of tree are having soft tissues on their leaves, which is best source of food for the herbivorous insects. Just like this one, similar to a locust. Look at the deformed structure of the leaves as it attached on it. It is consuming the soft tissue of the leaves as a sign of an herbivorous type of insect. This flower of this binunga tree invites more insects due to its sweet scent and the pollen grains. Beetles, bees, and other small wing insects are fond and attracted on the sweet smell and pollen grain of this binunga tree, as well as the look at the leaves. I'm going to scratch it gently. It contains brown powdery substance that covers on the surface of the leaf, and this is one of the many reasons why insects are attracted onto it and collecting this brown substance as their one main source of food, natural provision of food. Mostly the wing insect that collect this powdery substance that protects onto the surface of the leaves of binunga tree. That is the nature of binunga tree.